Hi friends, I'm Katie and welcome back to another wire wrapping tutorial. So today's video is a bit different from our normal tutorial. In this video, we're gonna cover some tips and tricks on how to wire wrap with your half round wire, which I have here, and I have mine on a spool right now, and not get the wire twisted. And so I'm gonna cover a few things that might be helpful to some of you. I just want to give a quick shout out to Savage Twin. She's kind of the one that prompted this video, and we've been sharing our woes with using half round wire in the comment section. So I just want to say thank you so much for always tuning in and engaging in the comment section. I truly appreciate that. So as the name suggests, the half round wire is essentially round wire cut in half. And since the half round has a flat side and a rounded side, you always want to keep the flat side facing down against your base wire when you're wrapping. So first I'm going to demonstrate what to avoid when wrapping the half round wire. I'm keeping my wire on the spool and just wrapping it over my base wire. So let me and sometimes to find the as you can tell, my wire's already twisted here, but sometimes to find the flat edge, I kind of I don't know if you guys can see. A little rounded on that side, but this is a 22 gauge wire, so it's really hard to see where the flat side is. If you can hold it up to a light to kind of catch the edge of the flat side, then it might be a little bit helpful to tell which side you need to be wrapping down. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of straighten this out a little bit. And excuse me, I'm gonna start wrapping. I usually leave myself like a little tail. Let me switch this over. Usually leave myself like a little tail here to kind of help me grip the wires together. And so I'm just gonna start wrapping. And as I do that, you can already tell from me just wrapping those 2 times, the wire is already getting twisted, moving throughout the length of the wire on the spool. If you want to keep the wire on the spool and avoid getting the wire twisted, here's how you achieve that, right? So instead of twisting the half round wire, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the base wires instead. You're just going to use your thumb and your index finger to kind of guide the wire, the half round, around and sitting next to each other. I'm hoping you guys can see this and it shows up well for you. So, right, so I'm just twisting. It's almost like you're turning a key in a door or something. That's how I think of it. It's kind of helpful. And so you're always, this way you end up always keeping the half round wire straight. And you run zero risk of getting it twisted. And you can still straighten as you go if you want to, but by guiding it through your thumb and your finger, it definitely ensures that you're not getting any of your wire down here twisted, and yeah, you get a nice neat project as you go. So I'm just gonna go in and flatten this a little bit. Squish it down. And then I'm going to continue wrapping. Excuse me. Oops. Almost knocked my camera over. And you can see right here now, I didn't straighten my wire, so it started twisting on me. And that's from earlier when I was trying to straighten that part of it too. And this is true for using for like if you're making a bail or something. This is also true if you're just wrapping around a single wire. Maybe this will help you see me turn it a little bit better because this will be moving, but so another thing you can do is, if you want, you can I'm dropping everything right now. So you can cut your wire. Once you've got it measured out to your desired length, you just cut your wire. And this will also help you if you have trouble doing the technique I just did, and you do want to move your half round wire or wrap it around the base wires, then you can do it like so. Because off the spool, you can at least straighten it as you're going. But for me, this just helps it. I feel like I go a little bit faster with this technique right here, like spinning the base wire instead of the half round wire. And there you go. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope at least one person got a good tip or a good idea of how to use their half round moving forward. If you have any other questions, be sure to leave them in my comment section. I try to be real time about responding to comments and sharing different insights and thoughts, and just helping each other on this wire wrapping journey. So I hope you guys are doing great, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.